Hey there, my friend, fellow trader. It's Will here over at FXAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So we have just entered March 2020. Before we get into this week's free trade alert, if you're new to my channel, new to my YouTube videos, you can hit the subscribe button now to stay up to date with probably one of the best Forex educational services out there. And if not, the best Forex signal service out there, because we guarantee that you'll make pips with our service, unlike any other trading service. Okay, so let's get into this week's free trade alert. This week's free trade alert is on the Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Okay, so what's happened now? We've just come down into, just created a new low. This was last year's flash crash drop down to this level here, and it's an old level that's been kind of holding since 2009. Okay, this weekly area here, this swing high, swing low, and then this new swing high here. Okay, and it dropped pretty hard last week. Okay, and it's coming, looking like it's going to continue down lower. But what we're trying to do for the first few days this week is just get initial bounce, okay, at this area here. Okay, it still is a weekly area. You still want to get a strong reaction here. So I'm expecting a reaction here and a move back up. Okay, it could drop a little bit lower early next week and then rally back up. But I am expecting a retracement over the coming weeks. This would be a good area to get back in on the sell. Around 73. You see, it's just created this new low. But short term, as our trades are over a weekly period, we've had a huge drop here. So we've took out this low here took out the 2019 low. Okay, that was probably the target the coming weeks, last few weeks. And last week it took out last year's low, and it's closed right back up in. Okay, so we've got a new low. What I'm expecting to happen this week, it'll probably pop down about 20 pips, or even 40 pips, around 70. But I'm going to get in this trade around 70.2. My stop loss is going to be at 69.1, and my take profit is going to be 72.5. Okay. You can see this is actually going to be a good area to get back into the sell up around 73. Okay, so the trade this week is, remember, we open on a Monday and we close on a Friday. Okay, if you're in very good profit early on in the week, it's always a good idea to close and just take your profit. Okay, so sell AUDJPY. Sorry, not sell, buy AUDJPY at 72.2. Stop loss at, again, don't know what I'm doing there, 70.2. Daydreaming, 69.1. Take profit is 72.5. Okay, take profit at 72.5. Okay, so that's this week's trade. Pause the screen now, write that down. Buy Australian dollar, Japanese yen at 70.2. Stop loss is 69.1. Take profit is 72.5. Okay, so always remember to control your risk. Trade at your own risk. This is just advice. If you are taking this trade, open on a Monday, Tokyo open, close on a Friday, or if you're in very good profit, middle of the week, early or start the early week if it does rally up pretty quick. It's good to take your profit out and close it. Okay, so if you want to access our signal service and access the rest of our signals for the week ahead, week starting March 1st, 2020, you simply click the link below. We had around 300 to 400 pips profit last week, and in total last month we made around 1,000 pips. So it was a great month. It's been a great year so far. And if you want to join the server, want to finally join a Signal server that guarantees you results, simply click the link below. If you have any questions, let me know at will@fxas.com, and have a great week, a fantastic week trading.